Soft light spills on the windowsill. A breeze through the curtains starts to thrill. I stretch, I smile, the day is kind. The world outside has left worries behind. The morning greets the city with a cheerful glow. I lace up my shoes and let the rhythm flow. Birds carve melodies in the pale blue air. I step outside with a grin, no burden to bear. Sidewalks hum with footsteps in a friendly trance. Every little moment seems to join the dance. I lift my face to greet the open sky. Today feels like a promise, whisper and try. Today is a day for dancing with the sunlight. We'll sing till the clouds forget to cry. Open hearts, open doors, let joy light the way.